Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Justice Soumen henigasngi ulabam Smai Chief Justice Thymmai ke Meghalaya High Court hagjingalang ke belalong Haraj Pawan ke belalong mendagasngi balang ke Pratrik Risau arhajar arpusan. Hagani gijing pentian Smai Chief Justice Thymmai ladonlang Menteri Rangba Kejela Ukanrat Sangma Sembut Menteri Rangba Uba Presiden Tensong Chief Secretary Kejela Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed Bat Kiwei Pat Kiru Paukman. Kejing thong Justice San Chief Justice Thymmai ke High Court kadi hadian kejing menjur ke Presiden kari India ha ka arpu hendu terik nailur aja arpusan katkum kejing ajing mut ke Collegium ke Supreme Court ya Justice San lakha ka arpu nyu terik ubnai naitung sejak nai spa hendupusan ha Kolkata bat ula pendap ya kejing let school na Saint Lawrence Higher Secondary School bat pendap ya ke LLB na ke school ba Kolkata ha usnam sejak nai spa kandai pau ha ka ula yo ya ke kedan bahlor ha ke kelas jongu Ularung kum unong ya saat an hapo ke Bar Council ha West Bengal ha ubnai kelalingkot sejak kanai spa kanai puwei bat pentwet ya ka an ha Kolkata High Court arposnam ha shwab unsha ajiet kum unong bishar ha kadege yiem bishar ha ka khatlai trik ubnai yayong arjar khatwei.
I,
Soumen, having been appointed as Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment, perform the duties of my office without fear or favour, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
vested in me by clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India. I, Dr. Murmu, President of India, and hereby appoint Chief Justice Soumen, Judge of the Calcutta High Court, to be the Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court with effect from the date he is in charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 26th day of September in the year 2025. 4th Asvina 1947 Saka, in the 76 years of the Republic of India.